Natural home remedies for glowing skin. Every lady desires picture perfect, glowing skin. Regardless if you are students, homemaker, or perhaps a working professional, it is crucial to possess good skin. The skin we have is fragile, and exposing it to dangerous chemicals is definitely an enormous risk to consider. Demanding lifestyles, hectic work schedules, insufficient sleep, insufficient dietary diet, pollution, dangerous sun rays, UVA/UVB, excessive smoking, and consuming alcohol would be the major factors which will make the skin dull and dry. Many of these are part of the existence and also tonot try to escape from their store. However, you are able to surely prevent them. Clearly, to keep how old you are, however, to surely lower losing glow and radiance out of your skin. Turmeric Remedy. 1/21 teaspoon turmeric powder. 4 teaspoons gram flour, also known as chickpea flour. Combine the turmeric powder using the gram flour. For this, add enough milk or water to create a paste. Apply this in your neck and face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with plain water. Aloe Vera. Take 1 teaspoon aloe gel, a pinch of turmeric and 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon milk. Combine all of the ingredients. Apply this combine evenly and neck evenly. Leave it on for around 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Lemon. Take 2 teaspoons fresh lemon juice and a pair of teaspoons sugar. Combine the components and use the mixture in your face. Scrub inside a circular motion and then leave it on for 10 minutes. Rinse with warm water to show glowing skin.